In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to Fireflies AI. This process will enable you to seamlessly integrate your Zoom meetings with Fireflies' advanced transcription and note-taking capabilities. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Fireflies.ai dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub, where you'll manage integrations, access meeting recordings, and configure settings to make the most of Fireflies' AI features. Navigating this dashboard might seem daunting at first, but don't worry, it's designed to be user-friendly. Once you're logged in, look for the Integrations option on the menu. This is where you'll connect external applications like Zoom to your Fireflies account. Integrating these services is crucial for making sure Fireflies works effortlessly with the tools you already use, enhancing productivity and saving time. Now in the Integrations section, you'll see a list of available applications. Carefully scroll through and find Zoom. Zoom is one of the most popular video conferencing tools and connects seamlessly with Fireflies to record and transcribe meetings, making it easier to capture essential details. Once you've located Zoom, click on it. Clicking on Zoom will lead you to the Connect option. By choosing to connect, you're allowing Fireflies to access your Zoom account so that it can automatically begin recording and managing your meetings. Don't worry, this is a secure connection handled through official APIs, so go ahead and click Connect. You'll be redirected to the Zoom login page. Here, all you need to do is enter your Zoom credentials to sign in. If you're concerned about security, rest assured that your information is protected and the process is secure. Make sure you use the correct Zoom account, the one you intend to sync with Fireflies, to avoid any complications later. After signing into your Zoom account, you'll be asked to authorize permissions. This step is essential because it allows Fireflies to access only what's necessary to function correctly. You're basically granting permission for Fireflies to join your Zoom meetings automatically, download recordings, and transcribe the conversations. Carefully review the permissions presented, and when you're ready, click Allow or Authorize. Once you've authorized, the integration process is complete. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that Fireflies is now connected to Zoom. From now on, your Zoom meetings will pair perfectly with Fireflies functionalities, creating a seamless experience for note-taking and transcription. Remember, with this connection, recording and managing Zoom calls becomes much easier, ensuring that you never miss any critical information. Whether you're juggling a heavy workload or need to analyze detailed meetings, this integration will be an indispensable tool in keeping your tasks organized.